everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes. So this week I am styling for Valentine's Day. This is another request for Peggy Sue, and I figured, well, if I'm going to do it, I better do it this week so you guys have some ideas for Valentine's Day. Now, my outfits are all going to be casual because that is my lifestyle, and I have to say this is going to be quite the challenge because just 2 weeks ago I did styling bright colors and I wore a lot of my pinks and reds then. So I might not have a full week of styling outfits for you, but I am going to try my best, and I'm going to dig deep in my closet for looking for more pink and red and Valentine's Day inspired outfits. First, I'm going to have to admit I am not much of a heart person. I guess have nothing against hearts. I just don't like wearing hearts. And basically hearts, stars, unique animals, something like that. Those I kind of geared toward when my daughter was small, and I just don't think it's appropriate for me. I like a more modern and sophisticated style. So I'm not into like hearts, and you're not going to see much hearts on me. But the exception today is this little heart pendant. And I got this, I believe my friend gave us this to wear for her wedding when I was in her wedding party. And that was like 20 years ago. So yes, this is what you'll see on me. I believe this is a Swarovski heart pendant, not 100% positive. Okay, with it I have this cardigan that I got from Macy's. I believe it's maybe a Karen Scott. I'm not even 100% positive. I got it on sale years ago. It's just your basic red cardigan. I have it paired with a socialite cami that I received from Stitch Fix. I believe I ordered it directly. And with it I have these crazy boom boom jean pinstripe flare jeans that I also ordered directly from a Stitch Fix. I have paired on a belt that I got from my one and only Petite Ave box. And my boots are an ivory boot, Mark Fisher. And I also had several requests, or 2 requests, to start styling purses. I'll be honest with you, I am terrible about changing out my purses. I'll wear the same purse for an entire season and then finally break down and change it out. But since you guys asked, this is the purse I would probably wear with this outfit. It is a red purse that I got from Macy's. What's the name brand on this? It is INC. It is not leather, it's faux leather. I don't mind buying faux leather for bags that are unique like this, but typically for my regular bags, I do like my black, my brown, and my white or off-white. I like leather, all right? And this is my first Valentine's Day inspired outfit. Stay tuned for tomorrow's outfit. Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes, and I am styling some Valentine's Day outfits. I lied yesterday and said I was going to have enough pink to show you, not enough pink and red, and I went through my closet and I got plenty of pink and red, so here it is. So today I'm wearing this pink top. Who is this by? This is by, I think, Vera Moda, that I got from, I believe, a trunk club a long time ago. It is like a fitted top that zippers here on the side, but I don't need to unzip it to get it over my head. It's like a faux wrap style, it's sewn here, so it's not going to undo on you. And I'll come closer so you kind of see it's kind of like a textured type of material on this. So it's a blouse. It has elastic sleeves, which I pulled up, okay? And yeah. And the pants are my split leg jeans cut from the cloth. And I have on my ivory booties by Mark Fisher, and people have requested purses. If I were to leave the house, I'd be wearing this crossbody purse in this ivory color. This is by Vince Camuto. It is leather, and I got it from Stitch Fix on sale. And that is my outfit for today. Stay tuned for tomorrow and yet another outfit. Hi everyone, today is Tuesday and I'm a hot mess express because I am now just finishing work and it's 6 o'clock at night and it's pitch black out. So I decided not to even bother using my ring light and just use my overhead lights. So excuse again for the lighting. Okay, today's outfit. I am wearing a pair of cut from the cloth pants. You can see they have these like pork chop type pockets here in the front. They have a button fly. I paired with, and I got these from a Stitch Fix. My stylist actually sent them to me. And they're a very bright and vibrant pink. I paired it with a black INC sweater from umpteen million years ago from Macy's. It has these cute little ties here down the side. Okay, crew neck. And I decided to wear my black knee boots with this. And I am wearing the much dated and out of style pendant necklace. I think I've said this before. I will continue wearing my pendant necklaces when there is a big blank space in front and a high neck. I just feel it needs it. And that is my outfit for today. All right, see you tomorrow for another day of styling Valentine's Day inspired outfits. Hi everybody, it is today Wednesday and I actually have somewhere to go tonight. So tonight my family and I are going to see a medium at a restaurant and have dinner there, and hopefully it'll be a good show. I don't know if they're actually going to be telling our fortunes, but we'll get to see one live in action. So today, I might have actually shown you this outfit in the past. I'll be honest, I do not remember. My top is from White House Black Market. It's a choker style, and I'll lift it up, and it is like a full tie here in the back, okay? I don't know if you can see that or not. I have it on a top White House Black Market, probably circa 2018. I have it on with a velvet blazer that I know I showed before by Steve Madden that I got from a Stitch Fix. And my boots are Mark Fisher that I got from a trunk club a couple years ago in red. And I have my black Pistola jeans, which I know I've shown you too before. So for most of you, this outfit isn't very new, but I thought it was a good evening outfit that kind of has Valentine's Day vibes due to the black and the velvet. I think is kind of like a romantic look to it. Okay, and that is my outfit for today. See you tomorrow for another outfit. Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes and styling outfits for Valentine's Day. You'll have to excuse the footage today. I am in my basement. My family is upstairs watching a movie, and I want to get this done with because I want to get my pajamas. It's been a long, hard week for me, and today's Thursday, and I've just got one day left, and I am so looking forward to the end of this week. I am currently doing this in my basement and sharing this video with my bunny, so if he runs out in front of you, you will see he is a free roam bunny and he's literally underneath my camera stand right now. So today's outfit, I am wearing a pink shell, so that's my Valentine's Day inspired outfit portion. This is a shell that came as part of a twin set from Nordstrom's Trunk Club, and I loved it. I washed the sweater once and it looked like a rag. Maybe I washed it one more time and I was just like, you know what? This is just awful looking, and I just donated it. It looked terrible. With it I have this jacket. I believe this jacket, yes, this jacket is blank NYC. It is like a bomber style jacket in tweed with many different colors in it, including this bright pink. I didn't even put on any jewelry today, not even my watch. With it, I paired my ivory cargo pants from White House Black Market, and I am wearing my Sam Edelman loafers. Again, I never went anywhere today. I literally got up, took a shower, threw these clothes on, and I've been sitting in front of my desk for the last, I started working at like 5:30 this morning, took a short break for about 2 hours, and then from 8 o'clock on was working until 5, and I just shut down now. And this is my outfit for today. All right, stay tuned for tomorrow. I'll come up with another Valentine's Day inspired outfit. Take care. Hi everyone, it's at the end of a very long day, of a very long week, and once again, I look a little disheveled. Partly because I've been working all day and I'm not fresh, and the second part is I was trying to do my Wantable try on in the midst of lulls during work, but that didn't work out too well. I just got tried on a couple pieces, so the rest of it I'm going to have to film tomorrow. So today, and again, apologize for the lighting. Again, it's evening. My ring light seems to do shadows, so I just have my regular hi-hats on. I am wearing a moto style jacket that I got last year. It's by BB Dakota. I believe it's called Lipstick Pink. Underneath of it, I have an Ever Eve shirt in white that is a like a Henley style with snap buttons. and it is by Ever Eve, but when I got it, the label said Chaser. Paired with it, I have my White House Black Market studded bedazzled jeans that I got for like $31 during the holiday sale. And I have on my Mark Fisher Ivory booties. And this is my Valentine's Day inspired outfit for today. Stay tuned, tomorrow will be my last Valentine's Day inspired outfit. Hi everyone, welcome to my final day of styling casual and or date night Valentine's Day outfits. It is the morning hours and I just finished up with my Wantable. I have not even uploaded that yet to YouTube, and I don't know what I'm going to do with this one first or that, but today is the first day I actually have footage that you can see my outfit. I'm so sorry that my videos are poor quality, but doing these outfits of the day is difficult for me because I have very limited time where I have good lighting in my house and I work during those hours, so it's very hard for me to get good lighting and film at the same time. So today I have to run and return my Wantable. I have to pick up a prescription at the pharmacy. I have to go return my snake boots at Nordstrom Rack, and it is freezing out there. And then late in the afternoon, around 4 o'clock, my daughter is going back to college tomorrow, so we're going to a local bar grill for dinner. So what I'm wearing isn't your typical, you know, running errands outfit, but it is Valentine's Day inspired. So I have on a pair of black faux leather straight leg cut from the cloth pants. I have them paired with my new slide loafer mules, which I think are adorable. Unfortunately, the weather out there is not conducive. I pretty much need a hole in my head to be wearing these today because it is 7 degrees out there, but I'm wearing them. I have it paired with a camisole that I cover up. I wear my regular bra and I keep a jacket on. It's like a crushed velvet. I'll come a little bit closer. I got this from Amazon. It was cheap, but I like it. It's good. It's something different. And over the top, I have my Sanctuary satin jacket because it is freezing out there, and I'll be putting my winter coat on with this. As far as purses go, I have to run out the door and do errands. I'm wearing a mismatched purse. I'm still wearing that red purse I styled the other day because I just never got a chance to change it. And I'm going to run my errands. No one's going to see the outfit that doesn't match because my coat is going to be on. So that is what I'm doing today. And stay tuned. You'll see my Wantable probably before this. I also got a few freestyle items from Stitch Fix. I got to find time to film. And that is it. Thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? I do try-ons, shopping hauls, like to share them with you. This is just kind of a hobby for me that I love fashion and I like to share it with you guys. Take care and until next time.